Hello students, today we will study the machinery and enzyme, the chapter molecular basis of inheritance. In this topic we study the machinery and enzyme which is helpful in the replication process. You know replication? When the DNA is replicate or duplicate or copy, that's known as replication or duplication. When the DNA is duplicate or replicate a copy and form a DNA is formed two DNA. It's known as replication. When the DNA form RNA, then this process is known as transcription. What is the definition of transcription? The process of copying genetic information from one strand of DNA into RNA is termed as transcription. What is the DNA? When the process of copying genetic information from DNA to DNA is known as replication. And what is the translation? When express of genetic information from RNA to protein is known as translation. The express of genetic information from RNA to protein is known as translation. Okay, we will see about the replication. Today we will see about the replication. What is the replication? Okay. In the replication, enzyme which is helpful for the replication is known as DNA dependent DNA polymerase. DNA dependent DNA polymerase. DNA dependence means that an enzyme, it is the only for learning, helpful in the learning. Enzyme name is the DNA dependent DNA polymerase. Why its name is DNA dependent? Because its enzyme for the process of duplication, for the process of replication, dependent on DNA. Okay, it is a DNA. Suppose it is a DNA, and it's replicate and form a copy then resultant RDNA form a copy and it form resultant it form two DNA. Okay, and one is same to another. Okay, that process is known as replication. And enzyme DNA dependent DNA polymerase. And what is the polymerase? The polymerase name because polymerization of nucleotides for the formation of DNA. Okay, because the unit of DNA is nucleotide. An example, we take an example, E. coli bacteria. E. coli bacteria which have the 4.6 into 10 की power 6 base pair. Okay, and its one life cycle is complete in 20 minutes. It means one life cycle is complete. It means one bacteria from the our progeny. One bacteria divide and form our progeny. Because one bacteria divide, okay, it means the nuclear material of bacteria is also divide, is also because the content of the DNA same, mother, it is the mother cell and it is the daughter cell, and content of the DNA in mother cell same in the daughter cell. So it means the DNA replicate before the division, and 4.6 into 10 की power 6 base pair replicate in 20 minutes. If we divide the number is divide by 20 minutes, we will find 2000 base pair per second. It is the speed of the replication. It is the speed of the replication which is polymerized by the DNA dependent DNA polymerase enzyme. How much speed? And with accuracy, without any mistake, because if occur mistake, then form mutation. It is the speed of DNA dependent DNA polymerase enzyme with accuracy. Approximately it is the speed. And how find the energy? Because it is a very expenditure process on the point of view of energy. So energy is provided by the deoxyribonucleoside triphosphate. Okay, it is the provider of energy. What is this? Okay, we will see. Now we will see. It is the pentose sugar. Carbon number first, second, third, fourth, 5. Pentose sugar because 5 carbon is present, and that name is deoxyribose sugar. Deoxyribose sugar, and there is a add phosphate group, and one more phosphate. No, one more phosphate group, and one more triphosphate, and there is a adenine. Now see, what is this? Adenosine triphosphate. It is as like ATP. I like ATP. Adenosine triphosphate. If we remove 2 phosphate, with 1 phosphate, it is the nucleotide. It is the nucleotide. Okay? It is a nucleotide. When ATP and that is the deoxyribonucleoside triphosphate. Deoxyribonucleoside, it is the deoxyribonucleoside. Matlab, it means pentose sugar and nitrogen base. It is known as the deoxyribose sugar with nitrogen base is known as nucleoside. And triphosphate, it is the formula of ATP. If adenine removed by guanosine, it is the guanosine triphosphate. Okay, it is a guanoside, sorry, guanidine, adenosine, guanosine triphosphate. It is the guanosine triphosphate. Okay, it means GTP, if replace adenine by guanine, is known as GTP, guanosine triphosphate. Instead of adenine, if present thymine, then it is known as thymidine triphosphate. It means TTP. And you know that when ATP break down into ADP plus phosphate, then evolve energy, and it is known as adenosine diphosphate, and that is known as adenosine triphosphate. When ADP further loses a phosphate group, then it is form AMP. It is known as adenosine monophosphate plus phosphate and evolve some energy. That energy is used in the polymerization. Okay. It means कि deoxyribonucleoside triphosphate serve as the dual purpose. First, action as substrate, substrates, and another is they provide energy for polymerization. Provide energy for polymerization. Okay, they provide energy for polymerization. Okay, when we see a DNA polymerize with the help of DNA dependent DNA polymerase enzyme, for a long DNA molecule, since the two strands of DNA cannot be separated in its entire length. Why DNA, a long strands of DNA do not separate entire length? Because in the DNA, formation of hydrogen bond, there is a formation of hydrogen bond. If open total strand of the DNA, It is a very energetically process. Okay, and the nature of hydrogen bond, when condition is favorable, then again join. So resultant is 0. So open a some part of DNA length. Open some part of the DNA length as like this. And open part, that is the open part. Open part in DNA length is known as replication. Is known as replication fork. Is known as replication fork. The DNA dependent DNA polymerase catalyze polymerization only in one direction. Okay. We make another DNA, simplified DNA, for the showing of replication in one direction. Okay. Sorry, we not shown the arrow. It is a 5 strand to 3 strand. It is the 3 strand to 5 strand. DNA dependent DNA polymerase polymerization only one direction. That is the 5 to 3 prime. It means when the DNA dependent DNA polymerase from 5 to 3 direction, it means that is the continuous synthesis, and there is a formation of 5 prime to 3 prime. It means the form as like this, You think why it is? Okay, when DNA dependent DNA polymerase present as there, then synthesize 5 prime to 3 prime, 5 prime to 3 prime, but it is the 3 prime to 5 prime, and DNA dependent DNA polymerase form synthesize only 5 prime to 3 prime. So it is a short distance which is formed to 5 prime to 3 prime. And when DNA dependent DNA polymerase enzyme present there after completing, then in this direction it is the continue, because it is the 5 prime to 3 prime, but there is a 5 prime to 3 prime and start that place and end that place. So it is a segment, because continuous not there, it is start at there, that place is the starting place. Okay, so it is the in one side, because it form only 5 prime to 3 prime, and that is the complementary of that 3 to 5 prime, that is a complementary. It is the continuous, it is the continuous synthesis, and there is a discontinuous synthesis. Okay, the discontinuous synthesis fragment are later joined one to another by the help of another enzyme which is known as DNA ligase, It is help in joining of the fragments. The DNA polymerase on their own cannot initiate the process of replication. The DNA polymerase on their own cannot initiate the process of replication. Also, the replication does not initiate randomly at any place in the DNA. Then what happened for the initiation of the replication? Replication does not initiate randomly at any place in the DNA. There is a definite region. There is a definite region in E. coli DNA where the replication originates. Okay. Such region termed as origin of replication. Such region termed as origin of replication. Such region termed as origin of replication. In short form known as ORI region. ORI region. It is because of the requirement of the origin of replication that the piece of DNA is needed to be propagated during recombinant DNA. If any person asks you what is the origin of replication, you told him there is a definite region in sequence of DNA. There is a definite region in sequence of DNA where the replication originates. You tell him there is a piece of DNA, there is a place in DNA, there is a definite region in DNA. Okay, oh sorry. There is a definite region. It is the best term. There is a definite region in DNA where the replication originate. Okay, and in short form ORI region, that's known as ORI region. Okay, because of the origin of replication, that is the piece of DNA is needed to be propagated during recombinant DNA. What is the recombinant DNA? It's know in later in next chapter. Now we told you in short form, in the formation of many useful substance as like insulin hormones, we take the extra chromosomal material of the bacteria, which is known as plasmid. The plasmid is the extra chromosomal material. It is open at any place and look like as this, and be entered our interest of DNA. Be entered in this our interest of DNA, which is helpful in the formation of insulin. But it is ensure that the presence of ORI region. It is ensure it is the presence of ORI region. Because if present ORI region, it means origin of replication, then it replicate. Either there is no presence of ORI region, it not capable to replicate. Okay, it is ensure that is the presence of ORI region. And when the DNA combine with another segment of DNA, which is our interest, that DNA is known as recombinant DNA, because first it is break and find combine another segment, so it is known as recombinant DNA. Okay, In eukaryotic, the replication of the DNA take place in the S phase. Okay, when we have studied cell cycle, G1 phase, S phase, and G2 phase and EM phase. In G1 phase, because it is a cell cycle, when it start, there is a DNA as like this. It is only for understanding. It means a DNA which is chromosomal number 1, not DNA, sorry, it is told chromosome, because the chromatin fiber packed with the histone protein and some another non-histonic protein. Okay, it is the chromosome, it is called chromosome number first, and chromosome number first. It is the homologous chromosome. Okay, one is the maternal and another is the come from paternal. One come from maternal and one come from another is come from paternal. This is told 2C. It means the component chromosome in the presence of diploid stage. Components is a 2 copy, have the 2 copy. But in the S phase, that maternal form a copy and paternal form a copy. Look like tetrad. It is known as tetrad. Because if it is a older part, it is newly formed. Okay, it is the older part, it is a newly formed. Okay, it is the older part, it is a newly formed. So content is a 4C. In S phase, it is the synthesis of DNA, and it means replicate. It means replicate of the DNA. In G1 phase, it is 2C, and there is a 4C. It means component in the have the 4 copy of one DNA. Okay, now the further into J2 some preparation of for the cell division and MEM phase, prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase. Okay. Now the machinery and enzyme of the replication topic is finished. If you have any query, contact me with WhatsApp or by personal calling. Thank you.